Guys, I listened the model 2 on the Genie Script, and as Wesley saying and teaching, he discovered the reason why most people fail. And I didn't understand that because I love working so hard before. I love working again and again, non-stop. But since I discovered the secret, as Wesley saying on the Genie Script, why people fail. Listen, today I will tell it to you. The reason why people fail because they don't know what is attention. Attention means that what we want. And even T. Harv Eker said on the 11th principle, you see this 11th principle, he said clarity is power. Yeah, that's it. Clarity is power. Most of the average and most of the people, they don't know what they want. Once you understand what you want, what do you really want exactly now, if you becomes understand this is the really thing that I want now, you becomes happy. Because listen, most of the people think like, what do you want? They feel like they need this piece of paper. You see this? Most of the people feel like, what do you want? Most of the people say, I want money. I want $500 a day. I want $7,000 a week. As Wesley explaining that it is not like that. It's not enough. You need so much. But even that, you need so much, but you have to really understand that what do I want exactly now.